Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to paint a very simple painting on canvas. The materials you'll need for this painting are a canvas board, masking tape, red, white, black and blue colors. Now starting off with the painting, I have taken red color on my brush and I have applied it in the center and the bottom section of my canvas. I have mixed some white color with red and made a pink shade, and I have applied it in the middle and the borders of the red paint. I am also adding some white paint over the red. When it dries, I'll make another shade just like purple by mixing blue color into my red one, and I will apply this color on the top and the bottom side of my art. I will mix some white color into my purple shade to make it a little bit light and apply it on the remaining areas. I am thinking to add a red color on the borders to mix the two layers of paint. I think this is okay now. I will keep it aside for some time till the paint gets dried. After removing the masking tape, it looks like this. Using a pencil, I am going to draw a butterfly wing on this canvas. You can draw any shape you like, but I think butterfly wing will look nice on this painting. I will also write a happiness quote. Drawing with a pencil first makes it easier to paint on it. I will paint the butterfly with black acrylic colors. I'm going to paint the coat with white color, and then I'll add the shadows with blue color. So that's it. Our painting is complete. I hope you like this painting. If you enjoyed watching my video, then please give it a like and comment your thoughts on this painting in the comment section below. Bye bye.